Who remember Barcelona 09 to 011? That team was ridiculously good. They were crazy. They were tearing other teams apart. The likes of Xavi, Iniesta, and Messi, not to mention Busquets and all the grades that they had. This was Pep Guardiola's third season in charge of Barcelona. The trophies that they won was La Liga, the Champions League, and they won the Spanish Super Cup. I'll give you the list of the players that started the Champions League final against Manchester United. So Victor Valdez in goal. This is a keeper that commanded his box very well, and he's also a ball playing keeper. So he was good with possession. The defenders, they play a back four, a high line as well. Danny Alves as the right back. He was virtually a winger because he was the modern wing back actually. So he would be running non-stop up and down the right side for Barcelona. The two centre backs are Gerard Piqué. He's the ball playing centre back that could progress the ball very well. And beside him was Mascherano. And at left back was Abidal. He's very good in 1v1 situation. He's a good centre back, rock solid. Now let's move into the midfield. This is arguably the best midfield trio in history, or one of the best, with the likes of Sergio Busquets playing that deep defensive midfield role. The way of playing this midfield role changed it in a different type of way. They didn't see the central midfielder as just the defensive midfielder was not just someone who could just tackle only. This person is the guy that controls the game. Basically, he's the one that he puts in the tackles when he should, and he has the ability to get on the ball as much as possible, turn and progresses the game forward. And ahead of him is Xavi and Iniesta. Now that trio is, as I said earlier, was arguably one of the best trio in midfield for a long while. Now Xavi Hernandez, he's the one that controls the way how Barcelona plays. Basically, he's very good. He's not a big guy. He's not physical, but he's so technical on the ball that he's he's the one that at the end of the day he would have the most pass completion in that Barcelona team, and he's the one that dictate the play. Everything you could say goes through him. He's the orchestrator of the way in which Barcelona play. And Andres Iniesta, personally, he's as good. He's probably almost on the level of Messi in the way in which he can dribble, because he scores every now and then. He'll give you an assist as well, but he can dance past players. Now up top was Messi. He was playing as the false nine. He evolved that number nine position as a false nine because he would come deep and he would operate in that central area as a striker, but mostly coming deep, linking up the play. Then to his right was David Villa. He was a clinical finisher, a goal scorer. And Pedro Rodriguez, he was coming from the left, and he scored a lot of goals as well for this team, and he was very disciplined. He pressed the ball well, and he has excellent movement and finishing. Barcelona plays in a 4-3-3 formation with Messi as the false nine. Now, one of the most iconic matches of this Barcelona team was when they played Manchester United in the Champions League final. That game ended 3-1 in favor of Barcelona. That season, Messi scored 53 goals, provided 24 assists. He was a top goal scorer in La Liga and the Champions League. Barcelona team wasn't just successful, they were a footballing masterpiece. Every player knew their role very well. The ball movement was like clockwork, like everyone knows where they were supposed to be on the ball. They would often suffocate their opponent both with and without the ball because when they have the ball, you can't get it off them. And if the opponent wins the ball, then they press so high with and so fast that they they win back the ball with ease. Now, how I'll set up my team to be this is how I'll set up my team to challenge this Barcelona team. I'll have Bernliner in goal, right back Wan Bissaka. My two center backs would be Joachim Anderson and Max Kilman. Left back, I'll have Estupinian. In my midfield, I'll have Paulina, Onana, and Conor Gallagher. My front three would be Adama Traore, Sinistera, and Awoni. I choose this 11 because, for one, Wan Bissaka is good in 1v1 situations, and Anderson is the type of centre back that I know could give me those back to front balls. So he has a good passing range and he can pass the ball well. So, and with Estepinian, he is the one that would give me that electric up and down at the left back position. And of course, Max Gilman will give me uh, the aerial present that I need for set pieces. Now, my midfield, I go with Paulina and Onana because these two are very rock solid defensive midfielders. Onana has the ability to move from box to box and he could pop in with a goal in any case. And Conor Gallagher, he has the ability to he can press well. So he pressed the ball well and he has an eye for goal. And of course, up top, my top three is just pure pace. I need the quickness of Adama Traore and Sinistera, and I'll need the strength of Awoni to pin back those Barcelona defenders so I can get my wingers, which is Adama Traore and Sinistera, can get in behind. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more tactical warfare.